Hello guys, um, welcome back again to a new video. Today actually we are going to discuss few of the basic things that are pretty important in order to use Excel, okay, on a daily basis, like day-to-day purpose. So basically, and this video is concerning one of the comment that I've recently received from one of our viewers. So he wanted me to just explain the entire Excel sheet from scratch. Okay, so what exactly is Microsoft Excel and what it does, why exactly it is used? Okay, so that is very important to know first of all, because till the time you don't know the exact reason why it is there in your system. In fact, it is there in most of the system where, in fact, all the systems where Windows are installed, right? So it comes as Microsoft Office package. So basically, an Excel is used to integrate your data in a very, I would say, proper manner, in a very defined manner. You can see there are various cells, and each cell has a unique identity, because if I just want to see what exactly the address for this cell is, you can just refer to this particular area. It's N1, sorry, N13, that is N13, right? It's, you can simply check it out through this one. It's N, and this is 13, right? So sorry. So out here you can see various options, and the version that I'm using for Excel is Excel 2013, right? So in Excel 2013, it's like pretty similar to Excel 2007 onwards, because the kind of layout that you can see out here is pretty similar. However, the the more advanced the Excel version gets, the more and more options you get stuffed into the this particular area. Okay, you can see home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view, right? So we'll start with the home, right? So what exactly home means? Because see, out here in this particular tab, it's a home tab wherein you get most of the options which we generally use in a day-to-day basis, okay, while using any data, or trying to analyze any data like that. So it's the simplest of the option that we can get out here. So let's put out some names out here. John, and second one is Sam. I'm sorry for that. Sam. um, we can also try it with some Indian names, that is Vikash, right? And also um, Sunny, right? And even we can go with George. So these are five names out here, and the date of births, date of birth. So we have the date of birth out here. Let's suppose this is John's date of birth, and we have the date of birth for other names, other persons out here, which is exactly on, I would say, a streamlined manner, because today it's like 18th of April, and Sam, it's for Sam date of birth is 19th, and Vikash it's 20th. So similarly, George is 22nd, right? So how to use and this option? So I'll just zoom it in. It'll say that it is cut, right? So in order to use this cut option, what we can do is you can just place or select the cell that you want to cut. Okay, when you say cut, it doesn't leave anything behind. Okay, so if I just cut it out here, and if I just select E3 out here, right, and just select on paste, it'll just remove the data from here and just paste it all along out here. So, and just do Control Z, that is undo. That means you're just undoing your previous action. So whatever shortcuts I'll be using, you can see it right here in this particular area of the screen, so that you don't miss on what hotkeys I'm using, right? So next, it's like copy. The next option is copy. So if I just click on copy, it will just simply copy it, and if I just place the cursor over any cell and just try to paste it, we can just do it with a hotkey or without a hotkey, or you can simply find a paste option out here. If you just see the drop down, you'll have various ways how to paste the data. It's like, first of all, it's a simple paste, right? It's a simple paste that'll paste the entire data. Second one is only the formula, and it seems there is no formula inside this particular cell which we are copying, so it won't be anything out there. And out here it's a formula and number formatting. The formats, whatever is being used in this particular cell, will be pasted as it is onto the next cell. And this one is the keep source formatting. It's similar to the formatting option. It's no borders. If you have any borders out here, if you just paste it, the data will be pasted without the borders, right? And keep source column width, that is this width, right? So if this width you want, if it is like this one, right? So if you use paste this one, it'll just extend. You can see it is being extended, right? So this is like quite an awesome thing that Excel has, which auto adjusts the column width so that the data which you're pasting it to the next column or a set of cells will automatically adjust the width of the columns, right? And let's format this one. Okay, and okay, so we have this cell wherein the formatting is quite different. So I want this cell, these cells to be formatted like this, but I don't want to just use all the options again and again, right? So what I can do is I can just copy or just paint this format to all the cells that I desire. So this is format painter. So this is the format painter. The name itself says it. So let's do it once again. It is like, once I select this cell, click on format painter, and you get a kind of a paintbrush out here which will just, you can just drag it, and yes, there it is. So you have just painted the format all the way down, right? So this part is done, right? And after that, if you just select this particular range, you can use this font option in order to just change the fonts out here. In the background you can see it's being changed, and this similarly can just increase your font size as well. And if you just want to increase the font size gradually, just want to check whether which font is exactly going to fit or just is going to look good. So what you can do is you can just increase it gradually and decrease it gradually, one at a time, right? And these options are, obviously it says it'll bold all the letters, and this is italics, and this is underlines all the letters, double underline. You can also do that. So if I do not want any underline, so I can just do Control Z so that I can just remove the underlines, right? So let's delete it from here. Okay, and this option is a fill option, wherein you can fill the cells, not the font, however the cells, right? The font will remain black because the font changer is this one. The color of the font will change with this one, which says A, that is a letter, right? And other than that, if you just go out here, if you just select this one, it brings the words or the letters on the top side of the cell. You cannot find the difference out here because the letters are quite big, right? So that's only the reason. And this brings us to the middle alignment, and this one to the bottom alignment. This is to the left, center, and right. Right, so this is how you can just align the data. On the next upcoming video, I'll be discussing the entire region out here, which is quite important. So that you guys might just catch up with all the basics of Excel that you need to understand while understanding how the different features of Excel works. And on later videos, we'll be discussing insert, page layout, formulas, data review, and view as well. All right, so this is it for this video, and I hope you liked the video and you would keep practicing to just get in tune with Excel. So I would request you to please subscribe with my channel so that you won't miss out any of the important Excel updates, and also some tips so that you can just make your Excel usage or make your Excel files much more attractive and impressive as well. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. Bye bye.